Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated, and in this video I just wanted to do a comparison between the front brakes and the rear brakes on an Audi Q7 2007. So this is the front brakes. I have a video I did how to replace the back brakes. The procedure is pretty much the same. The only difference is this pin right here. There's actually a 13mm bolt right here that you have to remove. And then what I did was I used a 8mm socket to punch out that pin out. So as you can see, this works very well on getting this pin out. So next, you follow the same procedure as the back and decompress everything, take them out, put the new ones in, put this pin back in, and then you're done. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, just like the other one. So another thing for the wire, for the connector, there's this little holder for the wire that you have to pop up, and then you can take it out. The back ones, I don't remember having that, versus the front does, and then the connector is still the same. You just pop that out. This is what the new brake pads look like. As you can see, you also have to have the sensor, and the frustrating part is that the sensor takes so much space that you're only pretty much getting half of the wear on these, and then you have to replace them because it starts scratching up the sensor. So like you can see the old one right here, you see, look, all that wear that I still have on these brake pads, but because it wore down the sensor, I have to replace them. So it's pretty annoying to do this, but at least the replacement process isn't so bad. And here's what the new one looked like. So it's not too bad to do this. I do recommend getting a brake cleaner, and I'll have links below in the description. I got this one from AutoZone, where I bought my brake pads, but you can also buy them online, probably cheaper. But as you can see, this is all that crap that was in this assembly, so you don't want that stuff on your rotor. So I recommend getting one of those and just cleaning that out, and it's a pretty straightforward to use. You just spray that on there, all up in there, and that's it. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time.